Good afternoon. Ngayon po ay August 25, 2023 Friday. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 2 PM digit games na 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto, 2 PM result ngayong August 25, 2023 Friday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero ang lumabas para sa 2D Lotto, 2 PM. 3D Lotto, 2 PM result ngayong Friday, August 25, 2023. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabas para sa 3D Lotto, 2 PM. 'See you again later for 5 PM result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for August 25, 2023, Friday. Tonight's jackpot estimates of Ultra Lotto 658 is 49.5 million pesos and Mega Lotto 645 estimated jackpot price is 92 million pesos for Friday, August 25, 2023. Thank you for watching this 2 PM video for afternoon of August 25, 2023, Friday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.